Hello everyone and welcome to JoJo's Brick Time. Another really great looking set here from Funwhole. This time it's the newsstand and we get one little minifig there. So he's the guy who works at the newsstand. We're going to take a peek around, see what's happening on the back. And from the little images here, it actually looks quite detailed. We've got a little John Deere tractor set there. That looks cool. Let's open it up and see what comes inside. What do we have? The instruction booklets first. Always good quality here. And what's this? Is this where all the stickers are? I'll just take a peek and see. Bit hard to open. What have we got? Oh, it's a service card. So if you got any problems, you just scan the QR code, blah, blah, blah. And all about the set. Comes with lights as usual. We get the little minifig. And once again, instructions are really simple to follow. And that's what it looks like. 153 steps. Looks like a really nice set actually. So this is where the lights are, nicely packaged. And how many numbered bags do we get in this set? Let's take a peek. Okay, here's the base plates for the set. And I think there's 4 numbered bags, but I'm taking a look here. I'm trying to focus. Come on, camera. It actually looks like they're printed parts, so no stickers. Holy dooly, 556 parts in this set. Oh, this looks good. It's going to look good in my city. Alrighty, let's do a review. We're going to take a peek at these lights because apparently they're new, like a new design from what I read on their online shop. So here's the street lamp. Looks quite good. The cord or the wire looks pretty good. What have we got here? Another little light piece. And let's rip open bag number 2. So we get the little adapter part if you want to use a larger battery pack. And this is the battery pack that's included for this set. So you need those round size button batteries. They tell you in the instructions what size. And check out that. Wow, that's a nice looking set of lights there and the connector bit. Cool. This is Mr. Albert, the newsstand owner. Great printing on him. He's got like a little pocket watch, little suspenders, and he's going to give us a cough because that's how his arms move. He's cute. I don't mind the minifigs. Okay, so bag 1 does the base plate for the newsstand. It's actually quite a good size. I like the new connector parts. Oh, and the clear pieces here are really good. They're not scratched on there, so I'm happy about that. We're going to test out the street lamp, and it's quite bright. It actually looks good. I like this little battery pack. It's going to be well hidden. This is the old style, well, for other sets, larger sets, so you can use that if you want, if you don't have the little tiny batteries, but I found some little batteries. Before I start building the second part, I thought I'd show you the printed pieces because they are actually really good. Here's the gold handset for the telephone, so that's nice. And these are all the printed parts. Very good quality, I have to say. The printing is very good. I'm going to give it a bit of a scratch, and no, they're very good. They feel like a little bit raised, which is nice. And here's the John Deere tractor advertising 50% off. And we've got a little Funwhole advertising, retro Funwhole. They're advertising themselves in their sets. Very clever. Yeah, and we get a cold drink machine in this set also. And the Funwhole currency of $10. Pretty cool. Yep, I'm happy with all of these. And there's a diamond here. I don't know what that's advertising, but that's cool. Here's the front. Now all of these are actually studded on, so they won't fall out, which is quite nice. Here's the drinks machine. I really like how that's been built with the two clear panels. So I'm just going to pop everything on top to secure it. It's coming together quite well. Here's the awning. I love the colour scheme of this being the dark green as well. So I'm just going to secure that awning. It's very old-fashioned style newsstand, which I really like. Here's some more of the advertising on the side. We've got a little like desk inside the shop for Mr. Albert to use. So that's that part done. So all the walls have been built pretty much now. We've got a light inside, so I'm going to turn it on. It's actually quite bright. It looks really good. I like this new style of lighting. I like how well hidden the battery pack is. So you don't have all these ugly wires sticking out everywhere. They've really worked on how to hide the wires. It's pretty good. Yep, like all that new stuff. Here's some more advertising, more printed pieces, and this actually spins round. And there is a light that shines, so I'm going to turn it on. Look at that. So much attention to detail in this little set. We've got more things to sell. We've got a little fan, more maps of the city, and another advertising sign for some fruit and veg. My dream town. That looks really good. Love the hidden wires. Yep, I am putting this in my city. And here we have the roof. Now this is really, really nice. Loving the dark green, lots of detail here. Different type of parts here that I haven't seen. We've got some curved snot brick there. We're going to pop the newsstand sign on. Nicely printed. This looks really nice. I love the detail of this newsstand. I'm going to secure it on here. So I like that you can take the roof off as well very easily, so you can play. Got a fire hydrant there, lots of plants at the front. More advertising, a gold umbrella, a bike with some plants growing out of it. The awning slides in and out. So I guess different times of day, too much sunshine, you slide it in and out. Oh, I actually really love this set. So easy to put the light on, so easy to take the roof on and off. Well hidden wires. Yeah, this is definitely a great set. I will be placing this in my city. The Funwhole Newsstand set. So this is a brand new set. Love it. Love the color palette. Love the gold accents. I love that all the stuff's printed. There's no stickers. You get lights included. This fits so well into a Lego city. Yeah, the whole appearance of it's fantastic, and the ease of turning the lights off and on is great. So if you need a newsstand for your city, I think you should definitely try this one out. So everyone, get your bricks out.